Alright guys, unboxing Apple 11 series 46 millimeter. Let's do it. It's always fun unboxing Apple. Oh, there it is. Oh, sweet. Okie dokie. Yes, baby. Okay. Oh, check that out. I like the glow. See that, baby? Okay. So that's the band. Cool. Let's see. Let's be careful. Okay, let's open this. Oh, nice. Look at that. That's what you get. Hold on, baby. You helping me make this review? 46 millimeter. Then we have the paperwork. Then we have the, of course, the braided USB-C charger. Okay, baby, let's see. Let's check out the band. So I went with the Unity band. Let's see how that rocks with the watch. That's a Unity band. Ooh. The Unity Sports band for the Apple Watch. Let's give it a shot. Okay. Okie dokie. Oh, no. Wrong size. Okay, we go like that. It goes like that. Okay. 46 millimeter, not really bad. I mean, if you can rock the 49 millimeter for the Ultra watches, this is not bad at all. I mean, I'm a king size, so I like it big, you know what I mean? So yeah, let's put on the wrist and see how that fits. Oh, that's beautiful. Let me know what you think about this 46 millimeter jet black Apple 11 series combination with this Unity Sports band with the watch. Let me know what you think about it. I mean, I'm a Rasta man, so that really works. I love the colors. It really looks good on me too. Nice. I like it. Let me know what you think down below in the comment section. All right, thank you. I picked mine. I hope you like the review. Thank you. Bye.